Hello everyone! Do you want to buy a new mobile?
And you want to talk in English while buying a new mobile, but you don't know how to talk in English?
So watch this video till the end.
And also practice with us.
So let's get started. Hello, I want to buy a new mobile, but I'm confused about which one to get. Any suggestion?
Hello ma'am, it depends on what you need. Do you want it for photos, gaming or general use?
Mostly generally used, but I love taking good photos. My current phone camera is not great.
For good photos, choose a phone known for its camera. Do you have a budget?
Yes, something in mid-range, not too expensive, but with good features.
Great. There are good phones in mid-range with excellent cameras. Any specific brand in mind?
I have heard good things about Samsung and Apple.
Both are good. Samsung has great camera with many options. Apple is user-friendly and has also great camera quality.
Interesting. How about battery life? I need a phone that lasts all day with moderate use.
Battery life is important. Samsung and Apple both have good battery performance. Do you prefer a larger or a smaller phone?
A medium-sized screen would be perfect.
There are great options that fit. Samsung SE or iPhone 13 are good choices.
I need a fair amount of storage for photos and documents.
Look for at least 128 GB of storage. Some phones have expandable storage with micro SD cards.
Perfect. I also play some light games. Are these phones good for gaming?
Yes, both Samsung and Apple iPhones are good for gaming. They have powerful processor and good graphics.
Thank you. Can I see the phones before deciding?
Of course, we have all the models on display. We can try them out.
That's great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have more questions. Enjoy your phone shopping.
Okay.